And Francesca, COVID-19 cases are dropping on university campuses all across Georgia. That is one of the other headlines we're following for you. Now, coming out of Athens, UGA and COVID cases, they say they're at an all-time low, down from more than 500 per week to about 50. Still, more than 50 professors say they require masks in their classrooms. Some students say, given the lower case numbers, certain restrictions should be lifted. The University System of Georgia bans mandates for masks on campuses. And junior Kemper Higgins, who is unvaccinated, says students should be allowed to choose whether they wear a mask, and says UGA professors should be made to follow the university system's guidance.
It needs to be made very clear to them that they cannot require masks in their class.
It is important to know reporting a case of COVID-19 is voluntary at UGA unless the student or staff member is tested on campus, so you got to keep those numbers in perspective. The university system has not made any indication that it plans to require masks or vaccinations. Atlanta police are working on a new plan to assign dedicated police officers to protect the city's parks. Park safety has been a really big concern after the murder of Katie Janice in July. Park goers tell us they would like to see some increased patrols.
So it is a little unnerving given that some of the crime has been taking place, but so that would definitely help because there is what seems like to be no patrolling within the park itself.
All right, so here's the thing. Crime in Atlanta's parks, it is actually shaping up to be lower this year than previous years, but the Katie Janice case was just so impactful and big. In 2020, there were 335 crimes across the city parks. That's down to 165 so far this year. Still, APD says they're going to work on a special unit to patrol the parks.